Nice little Pelagic 28 trawler. Originally built in 1984 and completely refitted in 2001. Electric windlass, 33-pound Bruce anchor. It's a solid fiberglass hull. Six-cylinder Perkins, 135 horse. There's an upper helm station. Solar, basically set up for extending your cruising year-round, essentially, with heat, hot water, extra fuel. Comes with a dinghy, has a little 2-horse Honda outboard. Nice little covered cockpit here. And stern line is mounted right there. Extra cooler. She's built like a little fish boat, so she has the fish boat sort of style. Here's the barbecue included. Very craftsman style interior with maple. Looks like Eastern maple. 12-volt fridge. Decent little galley here. Natural light, that's a nice bonus. Built-in microwave, and every dish has its place. For cooking, there's an alcohol stove that you can just put on the counter. Fort aft is the head. All handmade interior woodwork. There is provision for a shower there. Tons of storage on this boat as well. Look at this. Keep yourself warm year-round with this. Alcohol stove just lives in this position and can be easily set up on the galley counter there when you're cooking. Here's an example of some of the plugs that came out of the hull. That's the hull there, about 1.25 inches thick. Looking into the main salon, you have your helm, starboard, forward there. Sitting is on this settee. Engine under the center hatch, and dining on port with 2 director's chairs. Cabin, forward cabin for sleeping. This Pullman berth. Actually, decent size for a 28-foot boat. Storage underneath. Some hanging. Bow thruster. That's a nice bonus. GPS radar. Auto helm. And the Perkins Saber 135 horse engine. There's the view from the helm station. Taking a look aft here. Give me a call. Alex@CaliberYachts.com.